Welcome to Yo-Yo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers.
Hello kids. Let's explore what animals eat together. Lion. This is a lion. It eats meat. It hunts other animals. Tiger. This is a tiger. It eats meat. It is a strong hunter. Cow. This is a cow. It eats grass. It is a herbivore. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. It eats carrots and grass. It loves fresh vegetables. Goat. This is a goat. It eats grass and leaves. It can eat many plants. Dog. This is a dog. It eats meat and dog food. It is a pet animal. Cat. This is a cat. It eats fish and meat. It likes milk too. Panda. This is a panda. It eats bamboo. It loves to chew all day. Monkey. This is a monkey. It eats fruits. It loves bananas. Horse. This is a horse. It eats grass and hay. It is strong and fast. Bear. This is a bear. It eats fish and fruits. It likes honey. Deer. This is a deer. It eats grass and leaves. It lives in forests. Frog. This is a frog. It eats insects. It catches flies. Snake. This is a snake. It eats small animals. It swallows food whole. Eagle. This is an eagle. It eats meat. It hunts from the sky. Fish. This is a fish. It eats small plants and insects. It lives in water. Chicken. This is a chicken. It eats grains. It pecks food from the ground. Duck. This is a duck. It eats plants and insects. It loves water. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. It eats leaves. It eats from tall trees.